Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
Then we can also look at the uses of acids and also bases. We have acids that we use for various uses. For example, we have hydrochloric acid is used to clean metal surfaces. That process is called descaling, cleaning of the surfaces of metals, especially for those metals that have rusted. They have formed some rust or some scales or some corrosion on their surface. Hydrochloric acid is used to clean those surfaces. We have sulfuric acid is used to make detergents. Paints, etc. is also used in car batteries. It's also used in car batteries. The acid that is found in car batteries is usually sulfuric acid. Then we have nitric acid is used to make fertilizers. Is used to make fertilizers. Dyes and paints as another use. We have acids such as ethanoic acid, ethanoic acid is used as food flavor or is used in flavoring foods. Number 5, we have very many acids that have very many uses. We have carbonic acid is used in aerated drinks, e.g. sodas, to improve the taste. So the aerated drinks such as sodas, they have carbonic acid, and that is done to improve the taste. So that is as far as the acids are concerned. Different acids have different uses. Hydrochloric acid, cleaning metal surfaces, descaling. Sulfuric acid, car batteries, making detergents and paints. Nitric acid, making fertilizers, dyes and paints. Ethanoic acid, food flavors, commonly found in vinegar. Carbonic acid used in aerated drinks to enhance or to improve the taste.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers.